This is one of the most powerful ceratopsian dinosaurs from the Cretaceous. Sharp-pointed lizard Centrosaurus. Centrosaurus lived during the Late Cretaceous. As Mr. Friedman once told me, those who have a compassion for dinosaurs never stop until the job is done. Alexa, what is Centrosaurus?
Centrosaurus is a genus of herbivorous ceratopsian dinosaur from the Late Cretaceous of Canada. Their remains have been found in the Dinosaur Park Formation, dating from 76.5 to 75.5 million years ago.
Alexa, play Heroes Unite.
Here's Heroes Unite, live, by PJ Masks, on Amazon Music.
Alex!
Gecko! Catboy!
Let's get out of here!
With super cat speed, I can run really fast. Leap and jump and take off with a blast.
With super owl wings, I can soar in the air.
Flying overhead from here to there. With super gecko muscles.
Alexa, lower volume.
With super lizard grip, nothing gets past me.
Mighty and strong, brave and true. Tonight we're coming to the rescue.
Now we've got you!
There we go.
With super cat ears, I can hear a bee's wings.
With super owl eyes, I can see anything!
Master, robot is out of control.
With super gecko camouflage, I'm out of sight. I'll save the day
There we go.
and do what's right.
When you got trouble, we're the ones to call. All for one and one for all.
Owl
There we go.
wing! Oh no, not the owl wing!
Mighty and strong, brave and true. Tonight we're coming to the rescue.
And shoot. I think I've added too many stripes.
Flying through the air, speed through the night. Adventure is coming, superheroes unite. DJ Mash, shout hooray, here we come to save the day. Heroes unite. Heroes unite.
And finished. There we are. That's how you draw a Centrosaurus. Sorry about the stripes being unaligned, but at least I finished the job. Hey guys. Is it just random that I just selected Centrosaurus out of nowhere? What the heck. I'm proud that I drew him. I'm gonna turn him into something everyone's gonna love and respect. And you know, he kind of looks like a Lasmatherium. Even though he has a same large horn. Anyway, if you're watching this, just a reminder. The world of dinosaurs, the planet of dinosaurs, is never going to end. New discoveries are found every year, and you can be a hero just like these guys. Farewell, guys. Good night.